Hi guys, today's wash and go is going to be featuring Eden Bodyworks' newest line, their Papaya and Castor line, mixed with a little bit of my Eco Styler gel. So to start off, I am applying their scalp massaging serum. It can be used as a leave-in. I really like the way that it smells. Oh, it smells so good. And it has been, for the most part, really helping to just kind of soothe my scalp a little bit. I've had some flakes in the front. And just little issues here and there, and I just applied this and it literally just instantly soothes it. So I'm really excited to see how my hair changes with more treatments to my scalp, and hopefully this can bring back some moisture because lately it's been a little naughty. I am applying this all over my hair like a leave-in, just because it just has moisture, and I didn't want to other than the Eco Styler gel, I'm not applying another product, so I didn't want to just stick to the line. And I am going to do what I normally do, which is separate my hair into sections and then begin to work it out. So guys, for this wash and go, I'm using the same method that I always do. I am applying the Eden Bodyworks Papaya Curling Jam first, and then I'm applying a little bit of Eco Styler gel on top of that. Now, I'm only doing the Eco Styler gel because this product is creamy and it says light hold, and I didn't want to go through the whole process of doing a wash and go and it not having enough hold for my hair. But I can honestly say I'm not putting that much gel in my hair. It's a very small amount in comparison to the cream. It's just to give it a little oomph. And I think that they paired together pretty well. I am using the black castor oil Eco Styler gel. I figured I'd grab that one because the Eden Bodyworks products has castor oil in it, and I felt that they would combine together perfectly. So it is the next morning, guys, and my hair is dry. I'm now going to apply from the same line, the hairdress, which is kind of like, I guess the consistency is, it's a little rough, it's a little hard, but when you warm it up in your hands, it does kind of go into more like a creamier state. I won't say it's a complete oil, but it does kind of melt into a creamy state, which I thought was wonderful. Okay guys, so these are the final results. I am really loving this product. Just to give a little rundown on some of the things that I appreciate about it, I will start with the curl jam. This really softened my hair. Now mind you, I did put Eco Styler, which has like a cast and kind of a hold, but my hair feels very soft, so I think that this did its job. It really brought moisture, and I just really put the gel on top to kind of give it a hold so that it didn't frizz up too much with this weather. But my hair still feels very soft. It doesn't even feel like I have gel in it, and that's honestly what I'm looking for my wash and goes, which is why I was trying to just do cream products only. But for the summertime, I have to introduce gel because of the heat and the sweat. So I really do appreciate a product that brings moisture to my hair, and that moisture is able to kind of hold in place when another product is layered on top of it, which is why I really like their curl jam. I really also love their hairdress. A little bit goes a long way. I have some on my hair right now, and again, it just feels like a pillow. It smells delicious, and I'm very happy with this line. I've used Bodyworks in the past, but it's been a few years, and when I saw that they came out with a new line, I wanted to try it, so I picked these products up. And it's honestly, like, I'm very satisfied. It's raining, or well, it was raining overnight, and I didn't realize that I had my window open, so I did get a little frizz. But to get a little frizz and still have this much definition after being in kind of like a humid bedroom and not realizing till the morning that my window was open, is really good to me. I think that this is, I like this wash and go. I am gonna, you know, fluff around and play with it a little bit, but I'm happy with the results. My hair feels moisturized. I have a nice hold. There's definition. It clumped. It looks like my natural, you know, pretty much, this is pretty much exactly what my natural curl pattern looks like. Sometimes when my wash and goes, something else happens. But this is one that I'm definitely satisfied with. If you guys have tried this product before or you're looking to try it, let me know in the comments below. And give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more wash and go series over the summertime. And I'll see you next time in my next video.